I think what you've come for is music to our ears. Because I recall that the executive secretary visited us about 5 to 6 months ago, and we had certain understandings, and that we were actually very ready to ensure that we as a state come tops in terms of investment promotion and also with the ease of doing business. For me as a person, this is my life. I'm an investment banker and this is what I've done. So to be governor and not be the foremost investment destination will be anathema. So we've moved on beyond what what we need is, yes, we need a certification to just make sure we are doing what the right thing. So we've done all the drawings. I mean, that's the park. That's the location. And I'll tell you a bit more. I mean, this is the Benin River, and where we hope to attract a lot of agro-food processing companies because of the availability of raw materials around us. Minerals, like you know, we have almost 260 mining licenses in the state. Forestry products, that's art and craft. Here again, you know, we're very endowed in forestry. Automobile sales, assembly and repairs, you will not believe it. After Lagos, Edo is the next largest car market in Nigeria. Light engineering, machinery, then some bit of housing, ICT, and gems and jewels, textiles. By the way, the client you're talking about, they are quite interested. They have expressed a desire because from what they told us, it's all about electricity, it's all about energy. And so we are going ahead. We hope that before August we'll give out the FTPC contracts for the major infrastructure, for the roads, and start with the first quadrangle, kick-start it. And our hope is that by the summer next year, the first company should be moving into this infrastructure. Well, why this is also going to be important for Nigeria is that we have concluded, we're concluding the feasibility study now on a river port. On a river port, which is going to be, this is the Nile River, that goes into the Atlantic. It's 35 nautical miles from here to the Atlantic Ocean. We have partnered with China Harbour. That's, you remember China Harbour? They've come back, they went back again this year, we met with them this year, and they've signed an MOU. China Harbour now has majority stake in the Lekki Deep Sea Port. And so this river port is going to be a sister port to the Lekki Deep Sea Port.
I was in Lekki last week.
Precisely. So we've completed the design. There will be a 57-kilometer road into this industrial estate. Starters, and we hope in future, yeah, and then after that we'll try and see how we can build another major industrial, because all of this is MPDC and it's mostly gas. So we've thought it out, and what we need is a lot of support and help from federal agencies like yours. So I'll say, take it for granted that the certification is a sine qua non for what we're doing. and that we need to move even quicker beyond the certification, so that we can begin to attract real businesses and then demonstrate to the world that it works. Because part of our challenge in Nigeria, we'll talk and write papers and policies, but you can't say anything on ground. So that's what we've decided to, the paradigm we've decided to change in Edo State. Talk less and do more.